In this video, we will be downloading, setting up and running Tornado for the first time. To get started, complete this form. You'll receive an email from us to confirm your email address, and the second email will contain a Tornado license key. You'll also see a link through to the page Setting Up Tornado. On this page, there's links off to the Tornado Resources section. From here, you can download the Tornado executable and a documentation bundle. And you'll also see a link to the Tornado Getting Started guide. I've already set up a directory on this machine where I've got the Tornado Getting Started guide, and this is the zip file you will have downloaded. From the zip file, you'll find the DocX Tornado WAR. Just copy that into the same area. And in the directory I'm working from, I've already created a templates directory and a working area directory. So let's dive into the Getting Started guide. First of all, it says we need to download the Tornado server, which we've just done. We'll also need to install a copy of OpenOffice or LibreOffice and have a copy of Java available on this machine. And you'll find links to those from the Setting Up Tornado page. Just going back to the guide, once you've got all of those things downloaded and installed, to start Tornado, we just need to give this command, java-jar, and the name of the Tornado WAR file. You may have already noticed I've already created a simple batch file that's going to give that command for us. Let's just have a look at that together. So here I'm giving the Java command, -jar, and the name of the Tornado WAR that we've just downloaded. So let's run that file. And once Tornado is started, it will tell us that it's started and listening on port 8080. From the Getting Started guide, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that we can also specify a different port if you need to. A little bit further down still, to connect to Tornado, we just use a normal web browser and go to the address localhost 8080. Now that Tornado is running, the first thing we will find is the configuration page. There's 4 items we need to set up: the license key, a OpenOffice location where we will source templates from, and a working area. Let's start by collecting all those pieces. Firstly, the license key. If you have a copy of LibreOffice or OpenOffice installed on your machine, then Tornado will identify a copy, but if you'd like to specifically set the copy, on this machine, in Program Files and LibreOffice, we've got a copy of LibreOffice installed. And I'd just like to point out that the version of Java I'm using is also in the same area, C drive, Program Files, Java. We need to specify where to source templates from. And a working area where Tornado will create log files and the such. Once you've entered that information, you can save the configuration. If you flick through to the Status tab, we'll see that currently the engine is down, but with that information entered, we can start the Tornado server, and we'll now see that the Tornado engine is running. You'll notice in the working area, Tornado will create a logs directory, which may be useful for diagnosing what Tornado is doing. And the templates folder is where Tornado will be looking for templates, and currently that folder is empty. Tornado also comes bundled with a sample template, and in subsequent videos we'll have a look at using the sample template and connecting your code to the Tornado server to produce documents. Thanks for watching.